In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a strategy in NinjaTrader 8. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up kind of this main menu, and then here you want to click on the new button, and then down at the very bottom, you can see it says Strategy Builder. Click on this, and it's going to open up a separate window, which is a Strategy Builder. Here you have to go through all these things here on the left, and you can do this by just basically selecting things on your screen and clicking Next. So first it's going to tell you if you want to create a new strategy, you want to click on Next. Then you can just name it and give it a description. You can basically do whatever you want here. Click on Next again. And then here you can set its default properties. So of course, that's completely up to you. You can also see more properties, set them, click on Next over here. And then you can select your instruments. You can add different instruments, etc. Click on Next again. And after you do all this, you'll eventually come to the very end where you can finish and you've successfully built your strategy. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Just read everything on screen. Keep on adding in things you'd like to add in, keep on selecting the correct properties, and then click on Next, 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 and when you come to the very end, you'll be able to finish it and get your strategy. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.